What is up, guys? It's Waving. Today I've actually found a fix on how to fix the creative hub glitch that's been happening recently. So for a couple of days, a lot of mobile players couldn't load into their normal creative hub and they have been loading to some sort of island. As you guys see, it's literally nothing, and it's really frustrating because most of the time you do get in that glitch. But today I've actually have a tutorial for you guys on how to fix this, and this is consistent, guys. My boy Silzz came up with this method. He live streams customs every day, so y'all gotta go subscribe to him. He said feel free to use this method. So if you do make the same video and use this method, go ahead and give credit to him or me. Also, guys, I'm also grinding for 6K subs. I'm really trying to hit this big 6K, and I know I can hit it. So if you do enjoy my content, or if this tutorial actually did work for you, would you go ahead and drop a sub and like the video? Anyways, guys, enough talking. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is restart Fortnite, and you're going to go back and click Fortnite, and you're going to click the settings button on the top right corner, and you're going to switch to Wi-Fi and cellular. After that, you're just going to let Fortnite load up. Alright, guys, after you load into Fortnite, what you want to do is click settings, and you're going to actually change your region to Oceania. Guys, I promise you this method works consistent, well, at least for me. If it doesn't end up working first try for you, it's guaranteed to work second try. After you change your region to Oceania, you're just going to click creative and wait till you load in. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process. As you guys see, this tutorial was successful. I want to go ahead and show you guys the date. Today's actually Christmas, just to show you guys proof that this actually works and it's still working. The one problem about this is you are playing 200 ping. Anyways, guys, if this tutorial did work out for you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. Once again, guys, I am on the ground for 6K subs, so all subs are appreciated. So if this tutorial did end up working for you, please subscribe. Once again, guys, this is the only working way. All the other tutorials do not work no more. If you do make a tutorial on this method, go ahead and give either one of us credit, Silzz or me. Once again, go subscribe to him. His channel will be down in the link in the description. With that being said, hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace.